So here are the things I got from the Mr. Hua light. It's a T5 LED grow light with 2 bulbs and 2 individual switches, so you can adjust the amount of light you're giving to your plants in case you feel that they're receiving too much. It comes with accessory cords. I've never seen accessory cords like this, but I guess like once I read the manual it'll explain to me what to do with that. But these usually connect other lights to it, so you only need one plug, which is very convenient and very neat, I will say. Here are the suspension cords, and here are some wall mounts and other little accessories. This little thing is used to cap off the areas that you're not going to attach cords to, which makes it nice. And for safety, it's also a very good deal. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the looks. Hopefully the lights will do great for my plants as well.